Give it a nice big push.
Wow.
Hi, kia ora. What's your name?
Jeff.
Hi, Jeff.
I'm Julia.
Hi.
Carlos.
Hi, Carlos.
And this is
I'm Kevin.
Benjamin.
Hi, Benjamin. What do you do here for work?
I'm a recruiter.
I'm a cook.
I'm a senior marketing specialist.
I work in data analytics.
How's your commute to work?
About an hour to get to work if traffic isn't bad.
Do you find that you have a good work-life balance?
The city is pretty fast-paced. I find myself being stressed out sometimes.
I wish I had more time for nature, especially living and working around New York City.
Would you like to press the key now?
Love to.
All right. Strong push.
Hey Jeff, here's your escape to a better life with mountains.
A commute you love, a great job in art curation, nature on your doorstep. How beautiful. Sounds great.
Nice and strong. Yep. Give it a go. Woohoo!
Oh, hey!
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Find a new life in Wellington, New Zealand.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
It
And definitely more
is.
nature than New York City.
It looks incredible.
So Wellington's the capital of New Zealand. It's a beautiful place, and this is a real job listing in your field in Wellington right now.
Wow.
Oh, hey! Sounds incredible.
What do you think about escaping to a new life?
I'll definitely have to check it out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds great.
I should be living in Wellington. Thank you so much.
Go for it. There you go.
Yeah!